Hi, I'm Jason King from Vizetto. I'm at InfoComm 2026, and I'm going to be showing a product called Reactiv Suite. Reactiv Suite is a powerful presentation application. It's very good in higher education, doing like Zoom meetings and team. We can collaborate, do everything you'd ever need to do with regard to presentation. We have 3 products in Reactiv Suite: Reactiv Pitch, Reactiv Stage, Reactiv Scribble. I'll be showing you Stage. Stage is a very powerful application. What it can do is I can take any files on my hard drive, on networks, whatever, OneDrive, Google Drive. I can point to them. These are quick access points here. I can come in here. I can bring in, I can restore various content. Reactiv supports pretty much any content you'd ever want to display. So I have, I can take my background and I can show that on the other screen. You can see it's there now. I can focus the audience's attention by throwing the content to the other screen. It's a very powerful way to present. I can change out content very easily. So I have various stage layouts that I can restore. So I'll just restore a layout here. You can get back up to speed with other layouts and continue your presentation. We support, like I said, many different media formats. So if you want a PowerPoint, you can show that. If you have a Word document, you can show that. Videos, live video feeds, we support capture cards and everything else. So that's about it.